Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have learnt about median of the data and we have completed exercise 3. Today we are going to learn about exercise 4. Our exercise 4 is about graphs. So see here, already about graphs we have learnt in the 6th class. In graph we have horizontal and in a graph paper is in a graph, each and every box is in the shape of square. The box is square shape lo untundi itla. Now, in each box we have 100 lines. That means 10 horizontal lines are there, 10 vertical lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 lines like this are there. Horizontal lines 10, vertical lines 10. That means each box we have 100 small boxes are there. Like this we have the graph paper. In graph we have x-axis and y-axis, both are there. X-axis untundi, y-axis untundi nana. X-axis and y-axis both are there. Then x-axis and y-axis are intersect at O. Then to draw the graph we need scale compulsory. To draw the graph we need the scale compulsory. Here each box is in the shape of square. So we have to calculate that as 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to we have to take. Okka unit nu okka box nu oka centimeter lo teeskovali. So 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units or 30 units like that. Question base cheskoni square teeskoni based on square we have to draw the graph. It is graph and we have drawn already in the graph in class 6 only. Once again we have exercise 6.4. Fourth exercise is there. Now see here, bar graph, page number 156. In this section we will learn a little more about bar graphs. We know that bar graphs are made up of bars of uniform which can be drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. The length of each bar tells us the frequency of the particular item. We also know that the length of the bar graph is per scale. It depends on the scale. See, this is called bar graph. If we have the draw the bars like this, then it is called bar graph. It is horizontal bar graph. It is vertical bar graph. If you have drawn like this, ila draw chesadi emantaru horizontal bar graph. So vertical bar graph. Then if you have drawn like this horizontally, then it is horizontal bar graph. Then when it comes to this side, then see the next page. Then here they have drawn horizontal bar graph with two lines, two bars. Then if we have drawn like this, then you have to say it as two draw chestunnam kada. So you have to say it is double bar graph. What is this? Double bar graph. So we have horizontal bar graphs are there, vertical bar graphs are there, double bar graphs are there. Afterwards we have pie charts also. Pie charts are nothing but the charts which are drawn in circle, which are drawn in the circle are called pie charts. So to draw the pie chart we have one method. After learning these graphs we will go to the pie chart. Okay. So first we will learn how to draw the graphs. So come to exercise 4. In exercise 4 we have 5 questions are there. We will complete the 5 questions now. Now first question, draw a bar graph for the following data. They have given some data. For the data we have to draw the bar graph. Horizontal x-axis, y-axis. Horizontal lines are we have to take as x-axis. Vertical lines we have to take as y-axis. Then we have to take and we have to complete the data. Draw a bar graph for the following data. They have given the population of India in successive census years. Year 1941, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 2001. Population in millions approximately. In 1941, 320 millions. 1951, 360 millions. 1961, 440. 550, 680, 850, 1000. Here each and every time 20 increasing, no? So we will take that scale as 1 unit is equal to 20, 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units. 20 is equal to So up to first number we have started at 320. So from 320 to 1000 we have to take. Then here we have to draw. Book draw this from challenge. You have to write the question in the graph paper. After drawing, then draw x-axis and y-axis like this. It is x-axis. Then it is y-axis. Exercise 4. First solution nana. X-axis, y-axis complete ayin tarvata. Here in an x-axis you have to take the years. 1941, 1951, 1961, 1971, 1981, 1991, last 2001 we have to take. Then on y-axis we have to take the numbers. Here 0, after 0 fifth line. Here first line is we have to take. Here horizontal lines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10th line has 320. Next 340, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 540, next 560, like this you have to take up to 1000. 1000 are this one. First year only. In 1941 the population is 320. In 1941 the population is 320. So up to 320 you have to write like this. Okay. Next in 1951 the population is 360. 1951 straight to 1961 360. Here we have 360. Population is 360. Then in 1961 population is 440. 1961 population 440. Here we have 440. So draw 440 like this. Then afterwards here 1971 population is 550. Here 520 after first line 530, 540 is we need 550 no. Here 520, 540 is there. After 540 second line is 2020 వచ్చి తీసుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి 540 తర్వాత సెకండ్ స్మాల్ లైన్ 550 గా తీసుకోవాలన్నా అంటే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది ఇట్లా. నెక్స్ట్ 1981 680 850 1000 remaining you have to draw. So you will get the bar graph like this. Okay, it is first solution. Bar graph అనేది ఇలా వస్తుంది first solution లో. నెక్స్ట్ ఏముందంటే draw a pie chart for the following data. For this one we have to draw the pie chart. To draw the pie chart, first of all we have to draw the pie chart in the form of a circle. Why we have to draw in the form of a circle? Circle form లో ఎందుకు draw చేయాలి అంటే పై అంటున్నాడు కాబట్టి pie chart means circle chart. So we have to draw in a pie chart. Pie chart లో draw చేయాలంటే first of all you have to take one circle. Now the circle is 360 degrees. Circle and 360 degrees ఉంటుంది కదా. So based on these 360 degrees we have to draw the pie chart. Then how to draw? See here. To draw the pie chart, so first we will take this information. They have given that second solution. Draw a pie chart for the following data. Second solution. Second question I am not writing. Item of expenditure. Item of expenditure. Then item of expenditure, afterwards we have to take amount, item of expenditure, after amount we have to take, then ratio, angle. We have to take item of expenditure, ratio, angle. Like that we have to take and we have to find the solutions. So first we have to take amount. Next we have to take ratio. Last angle. First item of expenditure, first they are taking food. For food they are using 3,750 rupees. Next health. For health 1,875. Clothing, it is solution only. Clothing also 1,875. Education, education is 1,200. Saving 7,500. Then we will add this amount. How much we will get? We will see here. All numbers are equal. So here 5, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, 0. Here 1 will becomes carry. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 1, 20, 20 plus 0, 20, 20 plus 0, 20, 0. Here again 2 will becomes carry. 7, 7, so third digit, 7, 8, 8. Third number here 5. So 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 8 is 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 27 plus 5, 32. Here 3 will becomes carry. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 7, 16. So we got total amount as, here savings 16,200. Then for each and everyone we have to find the ratio. To find the ratio, what we have to do? 3,750 by sum of the ratio. Total amount we got 16,200 into 360 we have to take. Why? Because we have to take. Why we have to take 360? Because we are drawing this pie chart in a circle. In circle we have total 360 degrees. So that's why we have to take 360. So by cutting this we will get, how much we will get, check here. 3,750 by 16,200 into 360. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 0, 0 gets cancelled. Now 9 4s are 36, 9 1s are 9. Out of 16, 9 has completed. How many will left? 9 8s are 72. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 8. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15. 3 table, 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 5 6 7 8. So there is no more possibility to cut. So 125 2s are 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 carry, 2 1s are 2. 250 by 3 means how much we will get by doing division? 250. 3 8s are 24. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down this 0. Now it is 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 we will get 1. If you pick a point then we will get 0 again. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1, point 0 to 0. So 83.3 we are getting. So take 84 degrees. So each and everything you have to cut like the 20% alane ratio find out jana same. 1,875 by 16,200 into 360. How much we will get by cutting that? Here we will get 76 degrees. How much we will get? So here they will get 42 degrees I think. By cutting like this. Same ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇలా కట్ చేసాం ఇట్లా కూడా కట్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఏమొస్తుందంటే 42 degrees వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాతింగ్. Here clothing also they spend 1,875 by 16,200 into 360. Then here also they get 42 degrees. For education they need to pay 1,200 by 16,200 into 360. Here by cutting that we will get 67 degrees. Last we have savings, that is 7,500 by 16,200. 16,200 into 360. Then here we will get 167 degrees. 167 like that we will get. So based on that we have to draw the pie chart. Then how to draw the pie chart? Pie chart ఎలా draw చేయాలో చెప్తాను వినండి ఇప్పుడు. So here it is 27. Here we will get 27 degrees. So based on this angle we have to draw the pie chart. To draw the pie chart, then draw a circle with any radius. Then ఇప్పుడు పై చార్ట్ ని డ్రా చేయాలంటే సర్కిల్ ని డ్రా చేయండి. ఏదో ఒక రేడియస్ తీసుకోండి. అంటే టేక్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ కంపాస్ హియర్. టేక్ కంపాస్ అండ్ యూస్ సర్కిల్. Draw a circle with radius as 3 centimeters. Then draw one circle like this. Then keep that center and take the center from any radius O. Then first we have 84 degrees. So here we are moving from left side to right side. While we are moving from left side to right side, here you have to use outside scale. Outside scale means 84 degrees. Here exactly 90 means here we get like this. So somewhere I don't know. I am not using protractor. Simply I am drawing here. 84 means like this you will get, I think. 84 degrees you have to write, and first they have spent for food. Next 42. 42 means like this. It is 42 degrees for what they have used health. Then next clothing also more than 42 like this. మళ్ళీ ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టి 42 degrees ని గీయాలి. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది 42 plus 42 అంటే 84 degrees అవుతుంది. Next 42 40 is complete. Next 27. Keep your protractor here and draw 27 degrees. I think like this you will get 27. I am not using protractor here. Last 167. Then the remaining part is 167 degrees. That is for cells. Here you have to write. After health, what is their clothing? After clothing, what we have there? Education. Last savings. అంటే మీరు ఫస్ట్ ఏదైనా రేడియస్ తో కంపాస్ ఏదైనా ఒక రేడియస్ తో సర్కిల్ ని డ్రా చేసుకోవాలి. దెన్ కీప్ యువర్ కంపాస్ ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ హియర్. ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టేసుకొని దెన్ ప్రొట్రాక్టర్ లైన్ అండ్ దిస్ లైన్ షుడ్ బి ఇంటర్సెక్ట్. దెన్ హియర్ యు హావ్ టు డ్రా 84 degrees. Here you are moving in clockwise direction. While you are moving in clockwise direction, you have to use outside scale. So from here, now ఇక్కడ పెడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఉండి clockwise scale ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. అంటే outside scale ని యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు 84 degrees ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. Then after drawing 84 degrees, again keep your protractor here, measure 42 degrees. Then afterwards keep your protractor here, measure 42 degrees. Keep your protractor here, measure 27 degrees. Then remaining part is savings. That is 167 degrees. Like this you have to measure and you have to draw the pie chart. It is called pie chart. Understand? Then third question is draw a double bar graph for the following data. We have to draw double bar graph. Here just now I have showed no. If you have drawn two at a time, two bars over and draw this one double bar graph అంటారు. Here they have given draw a double bar graph for the following birth and death rate of different states in 1999. Now they have given state and birth rate, death rate. Then we will draw the graph. Third solution. Here to draw the double bar graph. So here the highest number is 24. So we will take 1 centimeter as 1 unit. Then we will draw the box. X-axis, Y-axis. Then we will draw the graph. So here from 1 onwards we will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here smaller number is 6. So we will start from 4 onwards. It is better. 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simply I am writing but on bar graph 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this you will take and you have to draw. Otherwise here also place not sufficient. Then take 2, 2. 2 is from draw generally. Third solution. Here it is x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to units. Y-axis. ఎలా తీసుకున్నా ఏం కాదు నాన్న, జస్ట్ మనకు బార్ గ్రాఫ్ ఇస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో హియర్ 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Up to here enough. Then here down we have to write the names of the states. State names రాయాలి. First Andhra Pradesh. Date, birth rate and death rate. Birth rate is in Andhra Pradesh. Birth rate is 22. 22. Where we have 22? Here we have 22. Then death rate is for 1008. Where is 8? Here we have 8. So you have to draw 2 like this only. Now it is Andhra Pradesh state. Then afterwards we have to leave one box and start Karnataka. Same. Birth rate is 22. Here only you will get the bar graph. So death rate is 8 per 1008. You have to draw like this. This common line ka iskovalli. Next leave one box. Tamil Nadu 1908. Birth rate is 19. Here after 18 you have to take middle line as. Fifth line untundi kada, fifth line 19 ga iskondi. So here 19. 8. Where is 8? Here we have 8. Then the state it is here, Karnataka. Tamil Nadu. Next Kerala, 18, 6. Where is Kerala? Here we have 18. And 6, but the death rate is 6. Here we have 6. Like this. Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Maharashtra, 21, 8. Then after 20, middle line is here to take 21. Then 8. Where is 8? Here we have 8. It is Maharashtra. Last one is there, Odisha you have to draw. 24 and 11 both you have to draw. After drawing that, so for birth rate, birth rate కింద షేడ్ చేయండి నాన్న. All birth rates. Shade these parts for birth rates. Then death rate we like that only. Then right side of your corner you have to write the scale. How much you have to write? Scale is equal to scale 21 unit is equal to here we have taken 2 centimeters. Then here we have to represent itla square box తీసుకొని షేడ్ చేసిన ఏంటి birth rate. You should write like that, birth rate. Then this not shade box ఏంటి death rate. Third solution is completed. You have to draw like this. Orissa have not drawn, you have to draw. Next, draw a pie chart for the following data. They have given one data, we have to draw the pie chart for the following data. So how to draw the pie chart? Same like second problem. We have drawn the second problem, same like that only. Pie chart. Fourth solution, pie chart. Then time spent, here. Time spent, angle. Here you have to write angle. Ratio, angle. Ratio and angle you have to write. Ratio we have to find and angle we have to find. First, they have spent the time for sleep, school, play, others. First sleep, school, play and others. OTHERS, others. First we'll draw a box like this. Then for sleeping they are using 8 hours, 6 hours, 8 2, 8 6 2 8. For time spent 8 hours. For sleeping 8 hours. For school 6 hours. For playing 2 hours. And for others again they are using 8 hours. Then total how many hours we count here? 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 2. 16, 16 plus 8, 24 hours. Then in a day you have 24 hours, they are using the 24 hours like this. Then ratio, first 8 hours by total 24 hours into 360 degrees. 360. So we will find here how much we will get. 8 by 24 into 360. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 120 degrees. Next second one for school. 6 hours, total 24 hours. 6 to 24 hours कर दे 360 hours. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 90 degrees. 6 by 24 into 360. Here we are getting 90 degrees. Next third one, 2 hours by 24 into 360. 2 ones are 2 12s are 12 ones are 12 30s are 30 degrees. Then 8 hours. 8 by 24 into 365. Here 8 hours how much we get? 120 only. 120, 120, 240, 240 plus 30, 270, 270 plus 90, 360. Yes, we got 360 degrees. Up to here completed. Then here also, draw a circle with any radius. ఒక circle ఏదైనా radius తో draw చేయండి. And take on compass. Now fix your compass pencil. ఇప్పుడు మీరు మీ కంపాస్ ని పెన్సిల్ ఫిక్స్ చేసుకొని ఒక రేడియస్ 3 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఆర్ 4 సెంటీమీటర్స్ ఇట్లా రేడియస్ డ్రా చేసుకోండి. ఒకటి సర్కిల్ డ్రా చేసుకొని then middle you have to take as 0. Then first you have to draw 120 degrees. Exactly 90 means we will get like this. 90, 120. So I think here we will get 120. Then again keep your protractor here 120 and then you will get draw 90 degrees. I don't know how much we will get. ఇలా డ్రా చేయండి అన్న ఇలా వస్తుందో 90 వస్తుంది మేబీ నేను అజ్యూమ్ చేసి గీస్తున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ 30 degrees draw 30 here. Then remaining total is 120 degrees like that. So I did not draw correctly. Exactly draw చేయలేదు, రఫ్ గా డ్రా చేశాను. So by using protractor you have to draw. First keep your protractor here, draw 120. Again keep your protractor here, draw 90. Keep your protractor here, draw 30. Keep your protractor here, draw 120. Then it is pie chart. Pie chart has completed. Okay. Then here you have to write sleep, school, play, others. Okay. Then fifth question is there. The adjoining pie chart. Here they have given one pie chart. The adjoining pie chart gives the expenditure on the various items during the month of family. The numbers written around a pie chart tell the angles made by the each sector, then each at the center. So these are called sectors. ఈ pie chart లో వీటిని ఏమంటారంటే sectors అంటారు. ఓకేనా? sectors అంటారు. First one, on which item they spend, on which item is the expenditure is minimum. దేంట్లో తక్కువ ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేశారనా? 60 means what is this? Here they have given no. ఇట్లా సర్కిల్ లైన్స్ ఉంటాయి, సేవింగ్స్ అని ఇట్లా పెద్ద బాల్స్ ఉంటుంది ఎడ్యుకేషన్. ఇట్ ఈస్ రెంట్ 90 degrees రెంట్, 120 degrees ఫుడ్, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ 60 degrees, సేవింగ్స్ 90 degrees. Now they are asking on which item they spend the expenditure is minimum means less. On which item they are expending less? Education. So 50 bit first answer is education. Education. Then 50 bit second answer. On which item the expenditure is maximum? More ఎక్కువ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Food. Then if monthly income of the family is 9,000, what is the expenditure on rent? On rent, how much they are expenditure? How much they are spend? They are asking. Then monthly income of the family is 90 rupees, 9,000. Then what is the expenditure? Now third one, if the monthly income of the family is 9,000, what is the expenditure on rent? On rent they are 90 degrees. So here we have to find. How to find Nana? 90 by 90. They are 90 degrees. Total 360 degrees. And they are spending 9,000. So 9,000 we have to write here. 10 gets cancelled. 9. So otherwise don't do like this. We keep like this only. 90 ones are 94s are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Out of 9, 1 has 4 twos are 8, 9, 10. 4 5s are 20. So money is 2,250. Next, third question is last one. If the expenditure on food is 3,000, what is the expenditure on education of the children? What is the education of the children? If the expenditure on food is 3,000 rupees, if the expenditure of the food is 3000 rupees, then what is the expenditure on education of the children? For education, how many degrees it is? 120 degrees. So from by using that 120 here we have to find. So last here they are saying that if the expenditure on food is 3000, what is the expenditure on education of the children? So here if the expenditure of food is 3000, so 3000 into for food how much they are spending? 60 degrees. Here why we have to take 120? They ask the children about education. Education ki enta spend chestunaru nana? Education means 60. Here why we are comparing food? Food ki any degrees? 120 degrees. What 120 we have to take as down? 60 into 3000 by 120. 60 ones are 60 twos are 2 ones are 2 15s are 30, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 1500 they are spending. Like this, okay? These are the answers you have to write directly. Okay? Then complete your homework up to here. In the next class, we'll learn next new chapter.